how to appear offline on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to appear offline on Discord. It's super simple, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you're inside the Discord, at the bottom left corner, you can see your profile picture. So simply click on that. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on online. And after that, another pop-up menu will appear. From there, you can see 4 options, which is online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. So as of right now, I have set my Discord account on online, but if I want to appear offline on Discord, I'm gonna simply select invisible. And that's it. That's how you can appear offline on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.